In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create longer delays in your workflows using Make.com, making delays not just a matter of minutes, but extending them to hours and even days. This is especially useful when dealing with processes that require waiting for a considerable amount of time before executing the next step. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless and efficient as possible. To begin, navigate to the Make.com homepage. Make.com is a versatile automation platform that allows you to connect various apps and design workflows tailored to your specific needs. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign in. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This is the hub from which you can access all your automations, known as scenarios on Make.com. After signing in, head straight to the Make home. It's essentially your main workspace, where you can view all existing scenarios and begin crafting new ones. Our goal is now to create a new scenario, so let's move forward. Click on New Scenario. This is where the magic happens. Once you're at the New Scenario page, look for the Add button and click on it. At this point, you're ready to start piecing together the elements of your workflow. The concept here is to arm yourself with a variety of tools at your disposal. And for our main focus today, we want to incorporate the delay function. To find it, you'll need to search for Tools within the Scenario components. Type Tools in the search bar, and when it appears, go ahead and click on it. Within the toolkit, you'll find an array of options to enrich and customize your scenarios. For extending delays, we specifically want to use the Sleep function. Once the Tools tab is open, look for Sleep and click on it. What this nifty little function does is pause the execution of your scenario for a specified amount of time, which you define based on your workflow needs. You can set this delay to extend over hours or days, making it incredibly flexible for operations that require substantial waiting periods. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a longer delay into your workflow on Make.com, enabling you to pause operations for extended periods without any hassle. This technique can greatly enhance your automation's efficiency by ensuring that processes that need time to settle or await other conditional factors can do so smoothly. Remember, the key here is experimentation to see what delay durations work best for your specific use case. Feel free to revisit these steps and tweak them as necessary to fit your scenario perfectly. Thank you for tuning in, and happy automating with Make.com.